Well, thank you guys all for being here. It's such a joy to have so many people in the garden. If you can tell, I really like it here, and I love sharing this with as many people as I can, so thank you for being here today. On behalf of Green Thumb's Growing Kids, I am so honored to accept this incredible support from the Ontario Trillium Foundation and the Ontario government. This $100,000 Resilient Communities Fund grant has been nothing short of transformative for us. The act of planting a seed is the closest thing we have to a physical manifestation of hope. Looking to the future, you hope that seed will grow into something beautiful, important, and strong. This garden was planted by children. Seeds and seedlings buried with hope for something good, even magical, cared for with patience and endurance, and harvested with gratitude. A garden is an expression of the best parts of us, the parts that are constantly learning and changing. Relying on each other to bring out our best selves. Nothing here is here because of itself. Nothing here is here by itself. And it all starts with something small, a seed, a yes, an invitation, a grant. The garden teaches us that a strong community strengthens the individual, that a seed planted in soil can grow something incredible, and that an idea planted in a mind can change the future. At Green Thumbs, we're not just maintaining school gardens, we're cultivating possibilities in children and teaching them how to care for the land and their futures. Thank you to our MPP, Kristen Wong-Tam, for believing in our vision. We are all grateful to have you here and to come together like this in a school garden. We also thank our partners, our incredible staff, our volunteers, and the amazing communities we serve. You are the reason that we do this work. And I want to thank Sunday Harrison for her unwavering belief in the power and magic of growing food in the city. She has inspired countless gardeners and change makers. Nature connection is needed now more than ever, especially in the city. Green Thumbs has been stewards of school gardens for more than 25 years now. We've watched children grow into adults and seen the lifetime effect that our gardening programs can have. A garden teaches patience, connection, and kindness, values that are rare today. As we look to the years ahead, we build upon this legacy, trusting that every seed we plant today will grow into something extraordinary for tomorrow. Thank you.
Yeah, that was beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.